I'm making my crunchy taco bites.
I'll take it.
I'm already in.
All right, so let's get to making our filling for these. So these are essentially just wonton stuffed with taco meat and deep fried. All right, so I've got my ground beef here. I'm gonna add to it some taco seasoning just out of the packet.
Love it.
These are really, really easy. Breadcrumbs.
Oh.
Okay, hold it together then.
I got an egg going in.
Is this meatloaf?
It is kind of like a meat. You could actually like double or triple this and make it a meatloaf.
Love.
Grated onion.
That makes it so juicy.
I like to grate the onion because if you chop them up, it's not going to be cooked completely.
Yeah.
And you'll get that raw onion
bueno.
thing going.
No bueno.
Cream cheese.
Oh my God.
Oh, stop it.
And some shredded cheddar. Now,
There's a flag on the play, flag on the play. I'd like some pepper jack in that, please, not cheddar. Can I do that?
you could put whatever kind of cheese you want.
Okay.
All right, so Alex, if you could chop up some of that cilantro
Yes.
for me, that's gonna go in here too. I almost forgot there's something green in this. Now, there is a lot of salt in that taco seasoning, but I'm gonna add just a pinch more. And a little bit of pepper. This recipe is like Jeffrey's worst nightmare. He's looking at this.
No, no, no.
What
That's
the
not true.
heck?
He did-
Don't
he did-
judge.
He was saying some things under his breath about this recipe
know, he
just a
probably
second ago.
was.
No,
He said,
would-
where do you get a packet of tacos?
Yeah, he's.
No, I was gonna ask
What is this
you.
taco seasoning you speak
I think
of?
he started
There, you wanna
twitching
put
with the
that right
cream
in there?
cheese. I think the cream cheese is when
Yeah.
is that
I
enough?
put a lot of
Yeah,
cheese
that's
in my
good.
meatballs.
I like
Yeah.
the cream cheese because it kind of helps it stick together, but also it gives a richness, and you know, any cheese to me is a good idea. Alex, you got the wonton wrappers there.
Yes.
I'm gonna take a rounded teaspoonful.
See, I love this because you can do this whole thing in advance
Freeze
and literally have a dramatic moment where you just fry them and pass them out.
Yes.
Right.
People love that.
These would be perfect to make ahead and keep in your freezer. Good little after-school snack.
Yep.
Oh,
Plus,
yeah.
way to stretch ground meat. You know what I mean?
Yes. Now, I've got some here in the fridge because I like to let them set up
Yes.
in the refrigerator before I fry them.
I'm over here panic making them thinking you need a whole batch and you're ready.
So here we go. I got some right here. And our oil is ready, 375 degrees.
Wow.
These only take about 1 to 2 minutes to fry. So it's really quick. It's great to make these in advance. And then when everybody comes, you just drop them in and you got these great little fried taco bites.
Same thing from the freezer. You can freeze those separately, then put them in the bag so they don't stick.
Exactly.
You just drop them right in.
All right, Alex, I'm gonna have you babysit this fryer for me, and I'm gonna make us a dip because every big game needs a dip.
That's right.
Okay, so I'm gonna start this out. This is a chipotle honey
Oh, I love that.
creamy dip.
Okay.
I've got sour cream going into the food processor.
Katie, there's no yogurt, there's no chopped kale somewhere.
I
in there.
know,
Is everything
right?
okay?
It's game day.
Game day, all bets are off. I've got mayonnaise.
Oh, there you go.
And this sauce you could totally use for tacos as well, or put it on a sandwich, so save any
Burger
leftovers.
even. Yep.
I've got a little chipotle and adobo.
Dude, that's an impressive amount.
Uh-huh.
Progress.
That's a lot.
Yeah, I like a lot.
That honey's gonna
Love it.
relax it. You
Yeah,
know?
we
Sort
got
of like
honey.
an aioli, right? Kind
It
of.
is, yeah. Yeah, and you know, you've got the sour cream in there that really mellows out the spice. A little bit of salt.
Mellows out the
And
spice.
I'm gonna add some lime juice to this. Just to
Okay.
I love
Add
that.
some
bring
lime
it all together.
It's a vegetable.
Yeah.
That's
It is.
right.
It's
See,
a
guys,
fruit.
it's a smoothie.
Vitamin C.
It's a smoothie. We got calcium in there
Yeah,
in
you
our
got
sour
calcium,
cream.
eggs, got eggs.
I can justify anything, okay?
Plenty of vitamin M.
I should just then
Mayo.
send you everything I eat for dinner, and you just justify that it's okay. Yeah.
All right.
These are so fun to make too.
Let me taste
Because they're
this.
so quick.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got some
Hot.
heat to it.
Crispy pockets of meat dunked into cool, spicy dipper sauce.
Yeah.
That's game day.
All right, so here's our sauce. Those are looking so good, Alex. I've got some more in the oven back here
Yeah, that's not
that I've
enough.
been keeping warm.
Yeah, this is for half a
Okay,
person.
bring the buffet on this. Kick this off, Katie.
Right? We need all these good,
Oh,
crunchy
no.
wontons. Look at those.
Just look at the bubs on there.
What do you have the oven just to
Yum,
keep it
yum.
warm, like the lowest warm?
Yeah, I put it on like 250. Just keep it warm.
I love the way those wontons fry up. I mean, there's nothing more gratifying than
Gratification right there.
right there, a little.
Yeah.
This is the type of thing you bring out, and all your guests are like, "Oh wow, I want those."
I think
They go
wontons are
fast.
they're like the puff pastry of the freezer section as well, in that you can make it if you want, but it's way easier to just to buy
Yeah,
that stack
good
of
point.
50 or 100.
Totally.
Or 1,000.
Yeah.
I'm 1,000 now.
Yeah, they do.
Jeez.
That's a lot of pocketed taco meat.
Ooh, look at that
Pocket.
fresh, crispy right there.
All right, guys.
Oh,
I
pass
want the
these
ones that
down.
are shiny.
Yes.
Look almost too hot to eat.
Let's start.
My
the
God, that looks
buffet.
so fun.
Let me wet the
Game
whistle.
day
Oh, wow.
is ready to go. Better have a beer with these.
Yeah.
Double
Here, Kate,
fisting
let
the
me get a
beer.
At once.
Yes, Mama needs a beer too.
Time is money.
Yeah, you don't have to tell me to get in there. I'm getting in.
Cheers.
Cheers.
There we go.
Cheers.
What a great way to start.
Good, hey, happy first quarter. Go Bears.
Oh, Jeffrey's double dipping.
Up, blow the whistle. We got a double
No,
dip.
I didn't go in. I didn't go in.
We had an almost offsides.
I know that we're all family
Offsides,
here,
GZ.
but, you
And
know.
Coach-
Why are you don't dangle it over the dip either?
No,
And I
wanted
hate
to
dip
taste it.
hoverers, the
I wanted
people
to
that'll take
taste
the
it
dip like this.
without the sauce. And it's so well made. It's crispy. It's just perfect. I would never know what you put inside this if you hadn't told me. It's so delicious. I mean,
Jeffrey's backhand.
no, it's so good. I mean, it's just,
compliment.
it's so perfect.